There are two main reasons why I chose to study at IE. The first one being the international community. Most universities that you apply to say that they have an international community, and it's like maybe 5 to 10% of the student population is from abroad. But at IE, it's literally more than half of the student population, and they're very open, they're very welcoming. So that's something I really looked for when I chose my university. And the other thing was the Bachelor. Behavioral science is only offered at the undergraduate level at IE University, at least as far as I know. Maybe some universities are picking it up now, but only IE offers it like this. And it's the perfect combination of social sciences, data, and business in a way that they give you the necessary tools you need in order to become a behavioral scientist, instead of individually having to learn all of these in different universities. So studying at IE University has really positively impacted me, mainly because of the opportunities that IE offers. They give you opportunities for almost anything that you need. If it's extra classes through seminars, if it's actual experience working with companies through labs, if it is maybe asking the teachers for help after class. IE just gives you a lot of opportunities to grow in the areas that you want to grow in. They don't really limit you, they don't limit your capabilities, your creativity, and I find that this has opened so many doors for me. I've been involved in activities that now I realize are giving me exactly what I need so that I'm ready to go and find a job and find something that I like and have the right qualifications to get that once I leave and once I graduate. My day-to-day life would consist mostly of waking up, if I have a class in the morning, just getting ready, going to class, sitting in. Actually, classes are very interactive, so teachers will tend to ask you a lot of questions. There will usually be discussions, maybe a quiz in order to check the reading, but that's about it. Usually I'll go home, have lunch, and then just have the rest of the afternoon to relax and work. So if I have to do a project, I might meet up with friends, or if it's just a very normal day, I'll just do the readings.